Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to delete a commit. If you wanna delete a commit, you have to be sure that why you're doing this, what you wanna achieve, and you have to be aware of the risks that this command might have. So in here I have an example. There are some commits that already pushed to the server and I have two local commits here. So let's start by creating the local commits. Okay, the first command that you need to run is this one. What this command tells Git is to reset the head of the current branch, which is main, to one commit before head. It means that to remove the last commit here. So the head is here and reset this branch head to here. So just simply move this to here and delete all the changes that happened in this commit here. One thing you have to be really careful here is that after you run this command, every local changes that you have here will be deleted. So if you want to keep these changes, you have to stash them or commit them. So I want to keep these changes, so I stash it and then I will run this one. And as you can see, that commit is gone and the head is reset to the last commit, which is the 8th commit here. If you wanna keep the changes in this commit, but just simply undo the commit command, you can run this thing. So by replacing hard with soft, then this commit will be removed from here, but as you can see in the working directory here, we have the changes. So we have the changes of that commit here in our workspace, but the commit is undone. So it was simple for it was simple for these commits because they haven't been pushed to the server and they were local commits, so we just simply ran these two. If we want to keep changes, we use soft. If we want to completely delete everything, we can use hard. Actually, by completely deleting the commits will still be available by doing reflog, but it's a topic for another video. Okay, so let's continue with the commits that have already been pushed to the server. So the first command is the same. In this case, I want to delete two commits instead of one. You can add any number you want. So I want to delete these two commits. The first step is the same. We run this, and as you can see, we have these things here. But then the next step is to remove them also from the server. And for that, we need to run this command. So we somehow tell the origin or the upstream branch for this one to push these changes we have locally, forcing this push to the server. And as you can see in the server, it's also removed in the remote branch. I mean, these two commits are completely removed. So let's delete some commit from between, like the first commit that we have here. To do that, we need to do interactive rebase. Git rebase -i for interactive, and then say we want the last 5 commits. And it's open in my locally configured editor, which is the Notepad++. Okay, and we want to remove the first commit here. As you can see in the list here, we have D, which stands for drop to remove a commit. So use D, or you can simply like delete this line. We save this, close it, it will, as you can see, the first commit here is gone. And then you see that we have this one here. Because this commit was pushed to the server, then we have to remove it from the remote branch as well. So we have to do this. We have to force these changes to the server. And then you see that we have initial commit and the first commit is gone. Commits, local commits, commits that's been already pushed to the server, or some commit in between. And just keep this in mind: if you remove some commits in between, there might be some conflicts with the changes you made after that commit or before that. Then you have to resolve those conflicts as well. And in the next video, we're going to learn how we can restore the deleted commit by using reflog.